Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have our 2014 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive SR5. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, running boards, and deep tinted glass. The 2014 Toyota Tundra remains a more than capable workhorse among full-size pickups. This Tundra has 18-inch styled steel wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire, splash guards, and low tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tundra is in great condition. It has a manual leveling, auto, aero composite, halogen daytime running lamps, along with fog lights, heated wipers, 2 tow hooks, and a really nice black grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 5.7 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Tundra has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26.4 gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Tundra only has 40,237 miles on it. At the back of the Tundra, you can see the cargo lamp, power rear window, and bed cover, along with locking tailgate, tow package, step bumper, and large brake lights. In the back seat, you'll notice this Tundra has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will feel very comfortable in the adjustable fabric bench seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Tundra is also equipped with a locking glove box, under-seat storage, and door bins. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, cargo lamp, rear window, power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with driver one touch down. This Tundra has a very comfortable tilting steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home for your in-tune media features. It includes a classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have a large climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.